Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Can Read, Trees for Kids. So many kinds of trees. Some trees are tall, some trees are wide. Trees love to live with people and animals side by side. Trees come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Trees' leaves change colors each season. In the spring, tree leaves turn green and in the summer, trees make parks so much fun. In autumn, tree leaves turn yellow and begin to fall. In winter, the leaves go when they are covered in snow. Trees have many kinds of leaves. They are fun for kids to play in. Trees have perfect for birds to fins to swing on. When trees are hungry, they use their trunks and roots. The tree trunks are cut to make wood and wooden toys. Trees have bark that cover them like skin. Some barks are rough and some are smooth. Paper are cool things. They are made from trees. Trees grow fruits, nuts, and sweet pancake syrup or maple syrup. Trees help people and animals just chill. Now everyone needs trees. It helps everyone to plant new trees and recycle. I hope you enjoyed this book. Well, I'm also sorry that you couldn't really read the entire book. I don't know what the problem is. There's some of the words are being covered by the other page. This is 2 pages, like this. But some of the words were over there. That's basically this is happening. So the words aren't coming. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!